What's up, guys? Welcome back to
Travel and Fun.
yes, and today we are out to explore the small town of Bellerup, as we call it. So this is also part of Copenhagen actually, but it's in the outskirts of Copenhagen. So it's a small township. So there's a big mall here, and
There's a church.
There's a church.
There are
So,
museums.
yeah, there
There is a flights in the museum Polando.
yeah, aviation museum, I guess. So you have some small such attractions here. Not a very big town, so there is not much to explore. But we have this church and the Centret, which is the mall here. So we'll be surely visiting the mall. So the mall is right behind us over here. You can see. We'll show you that. So now we are going to the church, and the museums are closed now because of these COVID restrictions. Yeah. So fortunately, we hope that the museums will be open again once this COVID is gone. Yeah. So now we are heading to the church, which is a 5 minutes walk from. So you can catch this bus called number 350S, which comes to Bellerup station directly. So you can see that this 500S. Yeah, that bus was totally decorated inside. So this Christmas vibe is there everywhere, and especially, and this time we are hoping for a white Christmas. So I hope you saw some shots. We were traveling from our home to this Bellerup, and it's snowing today. Yeah, it's all snowing. It's now it's not snowing so heavily, but still it's snowing. Yeah, but it's turning white slowly everywhere. So we are heading to the church. We'll go there and show you the church.
This video is about exploring this small Bellerup.
Yeah, I don't know if we'll be able to explore much, but we'll show you whatever we can because many things are closed now because of these COVID restrictions. Still, we are trying to travel, explore, and show you whatever we can.
And especially to the places which are not crowded, because
Yeah,
our safety is also very important.
absolutely. So we hope that you guys also stay safe and don't go to very crowded places. Always wear your mask and all when you are going to crowded places. So here, mask is a mandate when you go to these shopping centers or any closed spaces. Yeah. So whenever you go to closed spaces, you have to wear masks and use sanitizers and all. So we are always carrying our sanitizer and everything. Yes. So be safe and let's go to the church. Let's go. See guys, it's all white everywhere.
All right.
It's all white. The tree is white, the grass is white, the road is black. Roads don't get white so soon. You can see it's all turning white slowly. It's all Christmas vibe. You can see people coming in Christmas dresses and so on. It's beautiful. See here, cars covered in snow. See, it's a Suzuki Swift. Look at this car. That was a Swift covered in snow, and I think this is a Tesla. Looking at the handle. Duh, you know how to open this door? I've heard that, I've seen that this is the most trickiest part of a Tesla. Opening this door. So many people they do, like no, it's like so it's a lever la. A lever la oru side you have to press on one side. Yeah, so you have to press on one side, so the other part will come out, and then you have to open the door. And here's a small shopping area. Yeah, so you can see there's some menu here. And which car is this from Volkswagen? Oh, this is new Arteon, guys. Arteon, look at this, guys. Volkswagen Arteon. So this car is coming to India soon. This Arteon. Yeah. So there we have a Christmas tree which is lit, and probably that is the Bellerup city center. So normally in Europe, wherever we go, we see that these city centers, they have this kind of attractions. Yeah, like there will be a Christmas tree.
Market.
Yeah, there will be a market and so on. It's good to walk today. It's not very cold. Still it's 0 and feels like -2. But it's not very cold. Like it's not like the other day, like our hands were freezing and we were not able to hold our phones. But it's beautiful today. Enjoying the walk? So here is the Balarup Kirke. So Kirke is church actually. So the church is on the other. You can see over there. So we'll come there soon. We'll just go to that small area where there is a Christmas tree, and then we'll come back here. Yeah, but we don't have a footpath to walk here. This girl is so fond of snow. Yeah, this is so cool. See, look at this. This is so cute. Maybe it's cute like you, da. Beautiful. Look at this what the 3 holes that you see here. Sundhed's Hus. So this is actually a healthcare center. Yeah, so it's a hospital. Sundhed's Hus means Sundhed is medical something. So it's and Hus is house. So it's like a hospital. But you see, hospitals are so cute, and they are so encouraging here. Like it's like a play area. They have decorated it. Yeah. And here's a small Christmas tree. I don't know what this tree is. Maybe it's pine. Don't know. See, everything is falling down. We told you about is a park actually. So what we see here, so this is the name of this park. It's Budaman Damsgard Parken. So this is actually a park. So you have actually like like trails to walk around, and there's that tree which is lit with Christmas lights, and this is the hospital, I guess. This would be for sure wonderful to have a walk here during summer. But also during this time, even though it's cold, it's still beautiful. You can see how everything is white, all the grass and lawn. Just under the tree, just only under the tree you can see that the grass is still green. It's all white here. So you can see here, it's beautiful. And there's an underpass here to cross the road. So this is the park. So let's have a small stroll and go back to the church. And this is that tree here, you see? Beautiful.
So I think we have to go now.
Yeah. So we are just close to this church now. So there are some small bars, cafes, and you can see that Christmas tree which is over there. But see, there are a lot of Christmas trees that are actually decorated. See, that's also one over there.
Church in the entry.
I don't know. I think this is the entry to the church, but we'll not go inside the church. We'll see. We'll ask them if we can. Yeah. So here we can see a construction. Some kind of construction is going on. And here there's something called Wagner Porten. I don't know what it means. But this is a church, and this church actually looks beautiful. Right, you're so smart. So this is actually a clock that will actually tell you the time with the shadow of that needle. So
Fun.
discovery by the smart Anaka. So this is the church here. Oh, it's all white, guys. Look at this. This is so beautiful. This is amazing. This is amazing. Yeah. What do you think?
Wait.
You can see the church here. Wow. So this is the Ballerup Kirke, Ballerup Church. Yeah, it's actually beautiful and cute because of this snowfall that has happened now.
അപ്പുറത്തെ സൈഡിൽ അവിടെ ക്രിസ്മസ് ഡെക്കറേഷൻ ഒക്കെ ഇട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്.
എവിടെ?
റൗണ്ട് റൗണ്ട്.
ഓ ഓക്കെ, നമുക്കൊരു ഫോട്ടോ എടുത്താലോ ഇതിന്റെ ഫ്രണ്ടിൽ വെച്ചിട്ട്? Yeah, this is beautiful. Looks like Santa's bike. Santa's bike? But it's actually very less crowded. There's a small music stage over there for the church, you see? Kirke Torsten. Probably this is now very less crowded. Else, such places would be so much crowded.
Yeah, it's very cute.
Yeah.
Okay, you can salon there.
Absolutely.
And the decoration is also very nice.
Yeah. Maybe it's less crowded because it's cold and it's snowing, or
It's COVID.
and it's COVID. Yeah.
Very less crowded, right?
Yeah. No crowd at all. That's nice.
And Christmas Eve, right?
Yeah, it's also Christmas Eve. Yeah, almost. Yeah.
So beautiful. Crispy can.
Yeah, it's like decorated with so many lights. It's so beautiful. Wow. Look at these Christmas artifacts here. Small Christmas, yeah, and a white Santa. It's actually snowing. Yeah, it's cold. So you can see 3 people standing here looking at something. Yeah. You guys, what are you looking at? Maybe let's see what they're looking at. They have weather predictors.
Fik du lavet en ordentlig film?
Yeah?
Jeg siger, fik du lavet en ordentlig film?
So guys, we are now at the Ballerup Centret. It's all beautifully decorated. And we'll go in now. So guys, that was
exploring Ballerup.
on foot.
Yeah.
So we walked a lot. Approximately we
11,000 steps.
Yeah, we walked around 8 to 9 kilometers today. So and that we explored most of this small Ballerup on foot.
Yeah.
Except the museums, and you can see that it's snowing.
Closed. Yeah.
Yeah.
And
So
it's continuously snowing.
yeah, you can see it's all white. The ground is all. I think there's almost like 2 to 3 centimeters of snow now. So we'll go by bus from here back to our home.
Yeah.
And we wish you all a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year.
Yeah.
We'll see if we can put some few videos before New Year.
Yeah.
But let's see how the travel restrictions here go on. So as far as now, I guess the restrictions are until the 5th of January. And by then the government will check, reassess the situation, and then they will maybe decide to extend it or then stop it over there. So let's hope for the best.
Yes.
You guys stay safe. So again, a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
If it's possible, we'll go out, else we'll put some challenge video. Or
Yeah, a
something.
couple challenge videos are also there. That's also an option. But
Yeah.
we try to put more of exploring and traveling videos as much as possible.
Yes.
If not, couple challenges is obviously a choice. So until our next video,
Bye from us.
Happy New Year guys and a Merry Christmas. Bye bye. Happy are you, Kunyan? Kunyan, are you happy? Are you happy? Enjoying snowfall?
Enjoy snowfall.
Say bye bye.